Okay, hello everyone. I'm Gracia. Today I'm going to explain about the activities that related about gotong royong. These activities is in my village. The activities is called Belale. Bemata is a traditional rice planting activity from West Kalimantan that reflect the spirit of unity and cooperation should be preserved by the younger generation. Okay, this activity usually do in my village every year, and the most people do this for survive their life. Okay, and the important you have to know about this activity. The first is to guide togetherness and continue cultural tradition. For this tradition, I have this philosophy: when many hands come together, the rice grows stronger. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.